Hello, my dear kids. Good morning. Today we are going to learn about human organs. Okay, human organs. Our organs. Here is a quiz or human organs. To make it simpler, the answer box are given in the help box. Choose your answer. Here having some answers. Okay, that means help box. First, where are blood cells produced in the human body? In where our body produce blood cells? Where? Bone marrow. Bone marrow. What is the meaning of bone marrow? It is the spongy tissue. Okay. So it is the spongy tissue inside of our bone. Inside of our bone. Such example, hip bone. Okay. It contains stem cells. What is the meaning of stem cell? The stem cells can develop into a red blood cell that carry oxygen through our body. Okay. The white blood cell fight infection. Already you know. And the platelets that help with the blood clotting. Okay. Platelets are used by the blood clot. Okay. Next, what organ can suffer short-sightedness? Eyes. Okay. What is the gland that produce insulin? Pancreas. Okay, what's the meaning of pancreas? It's an organ near the stomach. It's an organ near the stomach. Situate near the stomach that produce substances that control the amount of sugar in the blood. Okay, in sugar patient taking which medicine? Insulin. Because the sugar patient's pancreas not secreting the insulin. So it will take by the infected person. Okay, insulin. Okay, next. Fourth one. What are the lymphoid tissue on either side of the throat called? Tonsils. Tonsils present in our throat. Okay, tons is one of the two soft lump in our throat at the back of your mouth. Okay. Next, what is the number of different organs in the human body? How many numbers of organs different? How many numbers of organs present in our body? 78. Which organ produces cholesterol? Cholesterol producing organ is liver. Which is a redundant organ in our body? What's the meaning of a redundant? What's the meaning? Redundant means no longer needed for a job. No longer needed for a job. That means it's not used. Okay. Okay, yeah? It is not used for the work. It is out of work. Okay. So which is redundant organ in our body? Appendicitis. Appendicitis means one illness. Okay, in which our appendix becomes extremely painful and unusually has to be removed. Okay, appendicitis. Next, how many chambers does our heart have? It's 4 chambers. Which gland is often referred to as master gland? Master gland is called, it's very important, pituitary. So what's the meaning of pituitary? It's a small organ at the base of the brain that produces substance that affect growth and hormones change. Okay. It's present where? At the base of the brain. Next, which is the largest human organ? Skin is our largest human organ. Okay. Next, abbreviation. Answer the following. What are and which town? Okay, here having some abbreviation names, factories, organization, expand abbreviation and state which town, city they are located. You can choose the answer for the city, town from the help box. Okay, TISCO, that means TASCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. Where? Jamshedpur. Where? Jamshedpur. NLC, Neyveli Lignite Corporation, Neyveli. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Tiruchirappalli. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, Bangalore. ICF, Integral Coach Factory, Perambur. HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, Bangalore. IDPL, Indian Drug and Pharmaceutical Limited, West Bengal and Kanpur. BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. Next, in which state are the following oil refiners found? Mathura, where? Uttar Pradesh. Baruni, Bihar. Haldia, West Bengal. Khoyali, Gujarat. Digboi, Assam. Okay. Next, where are the following atomic power station found? Name the states. Narora Atomic Power Station, Uttar Pradesh. Rana Pratap Sagar Atomic Power Station, Rajasthan. Kalpakam Atomic Power Station, Tamil Nadu. Tharapur Atomic Power Station, Maharashtra. Kakrabara Atomic Power Station, Gujarat. Okay. Thank you.